Race number 3, and the race is on. Prince Carlo from the outside, Manpower. Sheila Princess down on the inside, Reporter. And running down on the inside is Dayang Benasop. Yes, we can. Is now running at the tail of the field. Sheila Princess by a length and a half, followed by Manpower. From the outside is Prince Carlo and Reporter. Down on the inside, Benasop is racing Pig by length and half. Dayang. Yes, we can. And nearing the far turn, Manpower is now the leader. Prince Carlo from the outside and Sheila Princess, Reporter, Benasop getting closer from the outside. Yes, we can. Second last, Dayang. Rounding the far turn, Manpower by a length and a half, Prince Carlo. Benasop from the outside, Reporter, Sheila Princess as they swing for home. Manpower this time by some 3 lengths. Prince Carlo remains in second. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Manpower by some 2 lengths. Prince Carlo, Benasop, and Reporter. And nearing the finish line, Manpower, the horse of Mr. Pax Clarabal the third. Second, Prince Carlo, Reporter, Benasop, Sheila Princess, Dayang. Yes, we can. Comes last.